Combinations. What is combination? Means previously we have seen what is permutation. Permutation means what? It is an arrangement of given n dissimilar things taken or at a time or sometimes all at a time. Also, this combination means a selection that is made on n things already arranged, taken or things at a time. Okay, so that is the difference between permutation and combination. Permutation is an arrangement. While permutating, we are arranging things in a line or circle, we are arranging. Combination means it is a selection. Arrangement already happened. In that we are selecting things. So that follows the notation that NCR. Combination is a selection, permutation is an arrangement. After arranging, we are selecting. It is called combination. It is denoted by NCR, which means selecting R things, whereas n things are available. We are selecting R things at a time. That is given by NCR. For that, we have a formula that is n factorial by R factorial into n minus R factorial. Does this looks like, have you seen this before? Yes, except this part. Except this R part, this one is similar. What is formula of this n factorial by n minus R factorial? The formula is what? Yes, so you can simply say it is NPR by R factorial, or else NPR equals R factorial into NCR, and that is the relationship between permutation and combination. Okay, that is the relationship between permutation and combination. You understood? Okay. Similarly, this sometimes can be denoted as n in brackets C comma R, or simply n or simply C of n r. If you mention any one of this also, that is denoting this combination only. Okay, and look at the notes. This combination NCR that exists only if R is less than or equal to n. R is less than or equal to n, then only this combination exists. Also, this NC0 equals 1 and NCR equals NC n minus R. Okay, you seen this before anywhere? The binomial theorem, remember? That is all. Also, there is a formula that NCR plus NCR minus 1, that is equals n plus 1 CR. Using this formula, we'll solve some questions. Okay. So these are all the formulas that we are going to use in this topic called combinations. I told you the definition and the relationship between NCR and NPR, permutation and combination, and the most common formulas that we are using. Some important things. Other than this, many things are there. Only these things is very important. Okay. Shall I erase this? Also, there is another formula which would be very helpful. The formula is NCR is equal to NCS. Then either R is equal to S or this R plus S is equal to N. For instance, take this question for example. In the question number 1, if 17C 2t plus 1 equals 17C 3t minus 5. What is R? What is S here? Before that we should know, like this n is equal, only these things are different and nothing nothing is there in multiplication. This exactly similar of this formula. What is R value? 2t plus 1. What is S value? So this 2t plus 1 plus 3t minus 5 equals 17. That means R plus S is equal to n. Or we can take 2t plus 1 is equal to 3t minus 5. Both of the things will give you same answer. If you substitute and simplify, this means here 3t minus 2t, it is t. This minus 5 goes here, plus 5, 6. T is equals 6. Here also, if you take this, what you will get? Minus 4. This is 5t. 5t. I mean minus 5t plus 5t minus 4, that is 17. 5t equals 13, not 13, sorry, 21. This minus 4 goes to the other side, plus 21. Then t is equals 21 by 5. Which one we will take? 6 minus 6 is equal to t. This fraction will omit, because as these are number of terms, this cannot be in fraction. That is why. Okay. Clear? Okay. Then see, substitute this here. What you will get? You will get an answer in fraction. Here also will get an answer in fraction. So that is why either this or that. It means either of the one only equal. Okay. Clear? The same based on the same application, we have the another question as well. In that question, NC5 equals NC6. What is n? They are asking. So based on this formula, we can say either R is equal to X. That is R is equal to S. That is 5 is equal to 6. Is that possible? No, this is not possible. Or this 5 plus 6 is equal to n. Will it be possible? We will get 11. Obviously, this R and S are less than 11. Okay. So either that or this will work. Clear? Also, there is another concept. If P plus K things are selected, or else P plus K things are available, among the P plus K things, where is that note? Take page number 75. If P plus Q things taken one or more than one at a time, like selection, then the total number of combination that can be formed is P plus 1 into Q plus 1 minus 1. In a similar way, these P things are alike of one kind and Q things are alike of another kind. Alike of one kind, alike of another kind, you know. Like more than one things are equal. Previously we have seen in permutation, right? Alike, same thing. If P1 things are alike of one kind and P2 things are alike of second kind and P3 things are alike of third kind and so on, we have been given n things. Then the total number of combination is given by P1 plus 1 into P2 plus 1 into P3 plus 1 and so on Pn plus 1. When it is 2, we'll add P plus 1, Q plus 1 minus 1. When it is more than 2, we simply multiply everything plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Clear? Underline that formula. Shall we see the next question? Read the third question. Yes. There is only 3 questions, man. Why don't we see all the questions? Shall we see all the questions, or when it's Perl package alone we'll see, and then we'll cut off to this continuity? What do you say? Only minimum number of questions are there. So we'll see only Perl package and then we'll cut back to this continuity. Okay. Then see question number 1. Very easy question. NC21 equals NC27. Then 49CN we need to find. This reminds you of what formula? Perfect. 21 plus 27 is equals N. Okay. Then 21 plus 27 it is 48, that is equals N. Then substitute that N here. 49C48, it is what? We have another formula. NCR equals, when this number is big to calculate, NC N minus R. Remember, 49 minus 48. Okay. Then it is equal to 49C1. We made this simpler to calculate. What is 49C1? Simply 49. Okay. Or else this itself, if you are okay with that, you can calculate. What will come? 49 factorial by 48 factorial into 49 minus 48 factorial. Here 1 factorial, this 2 will get simplified, only 49 will get. Either way, you will get the answer. But if you use this formula, simply you will get, instead of this, doing this multiplication. Okay. Any doubts in this? Then question number 2. Find the value of 10C5 plus 10C4 plus 2 times 10C4 plus 10C3. We have seen one formula. Can you remember that formula? NCR plus NCR minus 1 equals N plus 1 CR. Okay. But it is of that kind, there is a problem. This 2 is disturbing us. What we can do? We'll split that into 2. We cut that into half. So 10C5 plus 10C4 plus 10C4 plus 10C3. Okay. Then 10C5 plus 10C4. Shall we use this formula? Does this look like the same? Then 10C4, 10C3. Shall we use this formula once again? What is the value of R? 5. That's all. N plus 1 means 10 plus 1 C 5. Here also apply the same formula. What is value of R for this pair? 10 plus 1 Then we'll have 11C5 plus 11C4. Are we getting the answer? No. Is that prove that question? No. We need to find the value. So then 11C5 plus 11C4. Again, shall we apply the formula? But this time n is 11, r is 5. So our answer is 11 plus 1 C5. It is 12C5. Okay. 12C5 means what? 12 factorial by 5 factorial into 7 factorial. These two will get simplified. We'll get 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8. There 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 5 2s are 10, 4 3s are 12. That is all. Everything gets simplified. Then 9 8s are 72. 72 into 11. Answer is 792. That's all. Okay. Any doubts or clarification needed on this question? Okay. Shall I erase everything? Okay, good. And next question. The number of ways of selecting 6 member out of 12 members, always including a specified member. Third question. Oh, sorry. Yes, I didn't see. NPR equals 5040 and NCR is 210. Then we have to find N and R. NPR and NCR given. How we can find P and R? Sorry, N and R. Is there any relationship between these two? NPR by R factorial is equal to NCR. Okay. What is NPR? By equals 210. And then R factorial equals 5040 by 210. 0 will get cancelled. Then I think 24 times 21 will come. 7 table you can cancel. 7 table if you cancel means 3. 7 7s are 49. 2 times. Then this is simplified means 2 times 24. So shall we fix the value of R is 24? No. R factorial is 24. R is equal to R factorial equal to 4 factorial. Then R is equals 4. The number of ways of selecting 6 members out of 12 members. 1 member always included. The number of ways of selecting 6 members out of 12 members. 1 member is always included. See how many selections we have to make? 6. From 12 members we should select 6. In this, 1 member is always included. 1 spot is registered. Then still how many we have to choose? 5 members from 11. Because 1 member already included here. So the selections can be made in 11C 5 ways. Selections can be made in 11C 5 ways. Okay. Then that is all, right? 12C6 is not possible. 11C6 and 11C5. Only those two answers are there. What answer you marked? See 11C5. Also 11C6 also possible. Because NCR is equal to NC N minus R. Okay. That equals 11C 11 minus 5. That is 11C6. Okay. Clear? Okay. That is it with the combination. This third question alone will work out. Okay.